All right, today we'll be looking at dandelion greens. Will be my presentation for today. Dandelion is one of those plants that everybody just wants to hate it. They just want to get rid of it, and they try to do whatever they can to rid themselves of it. So what is it? So the dandelion greens are simply the leaves of the common plant, which produce the ubiquitous yellow flower. The leaves sprout from a central hollow stem, which may be red or green. Dandelion has only one flower per stem. And I know a lot of people get this plant confused with, there's what we call the false dandelion, or it's commonly known as cat's hair. And that plant has several flowers coming out of the stem. So that's, one of the differences that we can look at when we're out looking, if we're planning to go, look for a dandelion. The greens have a very distinct assertive flavor, soft and tangy and bitter. The younger leaves with the short stems are more tender and mild. The larger leaves become fibrous and overtly bitter. So as the plant gets older, you find that will happen. Once the plants produce flowers, their strong flavor increases and the greens are past the point of optimal culinary value. So what are some of the uses for this plant? It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, also in Asian and European cuisines. The entire plant can add color to our plate. They can also be found in products like, herbal teas and supplements. And these are used as natural remedies to support blood sugar management, boost skin health, also for liver and heart health. They're highly nutritious. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. The green leaves of the plant can make a healthy addition to food, such as your salads, juices, sandwiches, and soups. You can also just saute the greens as well. Very delicious. As I was looking at the nutritional value of the dandelion greens, I came across the U.S. Department of Agriculture, and this was what they had to say. It's very nutritious, and it surpassed both spinach and broccoli in nutritional value. The greens can be eaten cooked or raw and are an excellent source of vitamins such as A, C, and K, as well as omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids, and protein. They also contain vitamin E, folate, and small amounts of other B vitamins. The greens provide several minerals, including iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. The greens contains beneficial antioxidants, and these are helpful in that they neutralize free radicals, okay? Oxidative stress can damage our cells and contribute to cancer, metabolic disorders, and disease. The antioxidants found in dandelion greens can protect our bodies and keep our immune system strong. They contain high levels of the antioxidant beta carotene, which may protect against cell damage and oxidative stress. They are also rich in polyphenols and another type of antioxidants, which are found mainly in the flower, but occur in the roots, the leaves, and the stems. It's known to promote liver health. So much like the root, the greens have been shown to have powerful liver protecting properties. Okay. An animal model experiment conducted in 2010 showed that administering dandelion green water extract to rats prevented oxidative damage and reduced inflammation and liver damage. And this you can actually view at the National Library of Medicine. You can read more about that. Increasing evidence also suggests that eating high oxidant foods like dandelion could help decrease damage which are caused by free radicals and prevent liver disease. The vitamin C and vitamin K in the dandelion greens are beneficial in the event of an injury. The vitamin K promotes blood clotting to prevent excessive loss of blood. And the vitamin C is a precursor to collagen, which helps the body rebuild skin for wound repair. May help fight inflammation. We know that inflammation is a natural immune system response to injury or infection. However, when we have long-term inflammation, that may permanently cause damage to body tissues and DNA. Dandelion greens contain natural anti-inflammatories. Reducing inflammation in our bodies can reduce our chances of developing certain cancers and heart disease. May reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Some compounds in the dandelion may decrease triglycerides and cholesterol, which are key factors for heart disease. Some of the polyphenols in dandelion, such as flavonoids and hydroxycinnamic acids derivatives, may have cholesterol and triglycerides lowering properties. Support vision health. So dandelion greens are a good source of vitamin A. The recommended daily allowance for this vitamin is given as retinal activity equivalents, and most adults need 700 to 900 micrograms per day. 1 cup serving provides 279 micrograms. There are other forms of vitamin A present in dandelion greens as well, lutein and zeaxanthin. These actually accumulate in the retina and are particularly beneficial in preventing age-related macular degeneration. So before you go foraging for dandelions, what are the known side effects? The supplements and the greens are generally safe to use when consumed in amounts typically found in food, unless you're allergic to the plant, or, if you're allergic to plants in that family, you might want to avoid dandelions too. Some symptoms may include stomach discomfort, diarrhea, and heartburn. And it's not yet known if it is safe to consume when one is pregnant or breastfeeding. So as I was looking at the dandelion greens, I did visit these different places: Dr. Axe, NIH.gov, Healthline.com, Specialty Produce, WebMD, and verywellfit.com. Thank you for watching.